Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight the markets were weak again as the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of six major currencies, rallies on to 98.30. With the Aussie moving lower now, it moves closer towards that 60-day simple moving average around 64.55.75, which should find initial demand like previously seen and see a bounce and keep this steady range going for at least another week or two and eventually look back towards 66 cents. With the dollar extending its gains, the euro has weakened and now closer towards its trend line, which is seen at 115.50.70. It is assessed that the market may bounce from there and look back up towards the region of 116.45 to 116.80, but do keep an eye at this level, as beneath 115.50 may trigger stops down towards 114.90. Turning to dollar yen, the market was strong again overnight and broke through the 148 barrier and now looks on towards 149. It's interesting to see though that this time around the market hasn't rejected like previously seen. Nevertheless, I am cautious at these levels in case we do see a downturn and look back towards the region of 146. Sterling, well, the market's broken through this trend and now looking for further stops as it sinks lower and on towards the region of 133.65. See if we find any initial demand around 133.10.15. If so, we may see a bounce due to the oversold indicator, but the trend is still quite strong from the ADX. But see if we can get a bounce from that level of 133.10.15, look back towards 134.5. A weaker play into gold, but still holding above this trend line, as we can see here around 3,315. No doubt I feel the market may again bounce off this level like previously seen and look back up towards the region of 3,350 and reassess from there. Oil was a little bit weaker, but likely to play into a sideways pattern today, but nevertheless still holding above the level around 64.5 with the base seen around 63.5. Overall, though, I'm a little bit cautious just in case we see a bounce and look back towards 68 as market has stalled from its recent sell-off. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me as always. Look out for the next report and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.